Hey guys, Sydney here with Kids Club. Today we've got a craft that is both cool and simple. Glowing eyes. In your kit you will find a ton of goodies and a little bag like this. In this bag there is some instructions, a toilet paper roll with a string through it. You'll also notice that it's painted, courtesy of Jen, and 2 glow sticks. So we start off by cutting some eye holes. So an easier way of doing this is to kind of squeeze the cardboard, make a small cut, and then stick your scissors into that hole, make another cut, and another cut, so that it kind of looks like a cross, and then you just kind of cut around from there and you'll find that it's much easier. Once you've done one, start cutting the other. Alright, we're almost done already. What you do next is you put the glow stick in. So when you get your kit, you'll notice that the glow sticks are not glowing yet. So to get them to glow, you need to bend them until you hear a snapping sound. And then once it starts to glow, you can just put it in there. Though if you find that it slides around a little too much, or if it's a windy day when you want to put them out, you might find that putting some tape will help the glow stick stay a little bit better. Now that it's nighttime, let's check it out. I hung mine up in an old raspberry bush. Pretty cool, hey? Spooky.